Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a rear bumper on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. From underneath the car, we're gonna take this bolt out. This bolt is very rusty, so I'm gonna use some rust penetrant. Spray it down and let it soak for a little bit. All right, now that that's soaked a little bit, I am gonna hold this bracket with some pliers. I'm gonna use an 8mm socket with an extension and a ratchet. I'm gonna try to loosen this bolt up. Just gonna go back and forth a little bit. And I think it's gonna soak a little bit longer. There's a J clip on here, or a J nut. I'm gonna try to hold it with the pliers. And try to loosen the bolt. We're pretty lucky it didn't break. Able to pull this out. That's good. See, this would have just been spinning, so holding it with the pliers worked out for us. We're going to disconnect this electrical connector to the rear fog light. Push down on the connector on the lock and slide it out. Do the same for this side. Push down. Slide it out. Next we'll take these lower push clips out. I'm just going to use a Phillips head mini screwdriver, loosen up the center, and that's about that far out, and I can pull this clip out. I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm just holding the clip from spinning on the back side. Once that's unscrewed a little bit, then we can pop it off, just like that. Then on the inside of the wheel well, we'll take the small Phillips head screwdriver, take this push clip out, unscrew the center, pop it out, just like that. Now we can pull this liner back a little bit. We don't have to pull it out completely, just so we can access some of this. Now I'll take a trim tool. I'm going to remove this clip down here. Pop the center down. I'll take some needle nose pliers just to squeeze this push clip so I can pull it through. So we want to grab this flare, separate this, and then we're going to push it forward a little bit. Separate it from the bumper right there. There's some tabs that go into those slots, just like that. So there's a push clip right here that takes this, that retains the flare in there. I'm just going to use some small pliers. You could use some needle nose. I'm going to squeeze it, pull the flare out while I squeeze it. There we go. That'll give me more access to this screw right here. I'm just going to disconnect this connector so I can pull the flare out a little more. Pull that out. I don't want to bend the flare too much, but then I'll take a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out right here. Just like that. And this part of the bumper is separated. We'll do the same for the other side. I'm gonna open the hatch. And we're gonna take these two Phillips head screws out. Take this screw out. And we'll take this screw out. All right, once we get those screws out, grab the bumper. Oops. Grab over here, and then at the other side, grab over there, and then we're gonna lift up in the middle. There's a little clip right here. And just pull it up, past that clip, and slide it off. All right, we're gonna slide this back on. Just make sure this is out of the way. Over here. Same with this side. And then we're gonna clip the center part in. It's gonna go like that. And then push it on in the center. It locks in place. We'll take this Phillips head screw and snug this down. If you have to maneuver the bumper a little bit, just get it kind of where it was. And we'll do the same for the other side. And snug it down. Now we're going to install these Phillips head screws on the side. Get it started, and then I'll use my Phillips head screwdriver. Helps to have a really short one. I'll snug that up. Then we can take this, we can reattach right there and slide those grooves into there. Just like that. We'll use this push pin, slide this up, wiggle it back and forth, and then push the pin in. We'll reconnect the electrical connector, just slide it in, and lock it in. We'll take this inner fender well, reinstall this push pin up here. These are kind of difficult to install sometimes, so just put it in an angle a little bit, and then sometimes you twist it back and forth. That works best, and then push the center down. Then we'll do the same procedure for the other side. This little clip came off, so I will slide it back on here in position. We can lock that in there, lock these two. Just like that. This one was going down. Yeah, I don't think it does either. We're going to install these push pins underneath here. goes all the way in. You may have to grab this bracket on the inside of the bumper or push it from the outside so it's in all the way, and then lock the clip on. Do the same for the other side. All right, once it's in, lock it down. Now reconnect this electrical connector to the rear fog lights. Lock it in. Same with the other one. Lock it in. And last, I'm going to put this 8mm bolt in. And I'll just snug it up, not too tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.